George Maddox.
So, project for today is to mount a bracket similar to this one to hold a new shade cell. Let me get the oh man, this is such a mess. I needed this so I can mark it down where I need to drill. So I don't want it too close to the edge, otherwise it will break. But so here, okay. See if we can do this. It does work, but it's slow. Slow as fuck. Oh, fuck, it's hot. See how deep it needs to go. Okay, it's not even halfway there. Okay, that's halfway there. So. We have a new battery. Just want to see going out. Okay. Man, I just went through that like it was nothing. That one's good. So that needs to happen for the other ones as well. Why did that one so easy? Oh, suddenly it just bites. It gets it. Oh. That's done. So 2 more. There we go. Drill through it. The last one. Holy God. Last one, there's no budging. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Holy mother of God. Need to get my hammer. Such a freaking mess in here. Whew. Now I have a hammer in here, I think. Not right now, but it will work. Holy mother of God. So, get the plugs in. I hit it too hard and break it off. Some new plugs for that. 3 more screws. A little bit. 2 more plugs. Hopefully it goes in now. There we go. There's the bracket. Oh. I figured I don't need to get my hammer drill out. One doesn't fit. What the hell? That one is really off. Well, somehow we'll make it work. 2 screws, 3 screws. It's not gonna go anywhere. The only thing, it's only 3 screws instead of 4. Holy mother of God. Oh well. was way more effort than I expected. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you next video.
Quick about this channel. Frequent short videos about 5 to 10 minutes. No music, very little editing. Everyday common and simple tasks. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit that bell notification. By doing that, you will help this channel tremendously. Comment on how much you like this video. Ideas for more videos or suggestions on how things can be done better. Thank you for watching.